Hello, today I will show you how to find the best ClickBank products. So when you go to the official site of ClickBank, you go to the affiliate marketplace when you're logged in, and you have here all the niches. You can find a niche that you like, that you're familiar with, like if you're into fitness, you can choose health and fitness. If you're in business, you can choose business and marketing. Of course, you can learn much more and something if you know about it. You can also learn something about cooking, food and wine and start that niche. So, for example, I will choose today health and fitness. Health and fitness, for the first one product I see it's Alpine, called Alpine, and you can always see that you need to first see is the gravity score. This product's gravity score it's about 15,000. It's a very excellent gravity score. Everything above 50 is very good to start. And the conversation is $140. That means if somebody buys from your promotion link, you will get the $140. And the requiring, it's a statistic that shows if people click on your link but don't buy, it's 0.05 cents, and so on. It's a good statistic, but okay. The product is Upsell Flow. It's a physical product. It's on time. It's requiring. That's very good when it's requiring, so people buy it all the time. And it's CPM. So I'm interested already in this, and I will show. I will look at the affiliate page of the product, so I will know more about it. So I can see everything about it. I can read it. This and this. So if you read about it, when you see everything you want of the product, if you like it, for example, like this one, you can also see if more people are selling it. If less people are selling it, it's also good. So if you know about the product and you like it, you will see how many people are buying the product, where can you buy it, who does support the product you are selling. Maybe some companies support it, maybe some large market stores support it. So if you see that it can be sold, if you see it has sellers, if you promote it very good, we have videos on this channel how to promote the best your products, you can of course sell it. It doesn't need to be this one product. You can choose everything. You can choose other products on health and fitness. You can choose businesses like jobs on new business. You can see the conversations. Of course, everything above 50 is good. The average conversations is how you want it. About everything about $25 is very good for starters. Don't mind it. Everything is good for your starting. And this is how you find the best products. You find the products that can be sold, you advertise them, and that you know about, that you can research on and sell to customers. Thank you guys for watching. If you need more information, how to promote, how to make ads, take a look at the channel. Everything is here on this channel. Thank you for watching, and bye.